Hello, nice to meet you. Today, we will invest using an AI program. First, choose the investment you want and bring the AI program. Set the desired investment items in the AI program. And set the amount and transaction step by step. Press the reset button to clear the settings. I will choose the script entry-level method and leave all transactions to the AI program. Press the start button and wait for the investment result. The investment you have set up is over. It's my profit. It is not difficult because it is an automatic program. Set it up and wait. You can set up the trading yourself, but you can also use the AI program. It's an easy way to invest, so give it a try. Thank you.